Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover exercise 2.1 question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 1 says that which of the following drawings, that is A, B, C and D, shows these four options. First one is 2 into 1 by 5. The whole number, that is 2, 2, 3 and 3, the whole number shows number of times, that is 2 times we are repeating 1 by 5. Here 2 times we are repeating 1 by 2. Here 3 times we are repeating 2 by 3, and here 3 times we are repeating 1 by 4. So whole number represents number of times, and the fraction, that is 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 1 by 4, that is fraction. For example, it is given 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. This represent the parts of given figure. So the first option is we are repeating the process 2 times. So there are two figures. So option A or option B will be the match. Now the number of parts, that is total there are 5 parts and we are choosing one part every time. So in option number B there are 2 parts and each times we are choosing one part. So it is 1 by 2. So this is not the first option. So if we see the fourth option, that is D, total there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts and each time we are choosing one part. Total there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts, and each time we are choosing one shaded part. So 1 by 5. So option number D correctly shows the first part. Now second one, that is we are repeating the process 2 times. So B is the correct option, that is we are repeating 1 and 2 times, and total parts of each figure are 2, and each time we are taking one shaded part. So option number B represents 2 times 1 by 2, 2 times 1 by 2. Now option number 3, that is 3 times 2 by 3. So option number A and option number C shows that total there are 1, 2 and 3 times. So option number A or option number C will be correct. Now the parts that they are taking are 2 by 3. So total there are 3 parts and they are taking 2 part each time. So if we see option number A, total there are 1, 2 and 3 parts, and each time we are taking 1 and 2 parts, that is 2 by 3. So this is option number A. And last one, that is 3 into 1 by 4, that is we are repeating the process 3 times, that is 1 2 and 3, and 3 and 4 parts we are selecting one shaded part. So it is 3 into 1 by 4. So option C is the correct match. Question number 2, that is we have to map the following figures. So first figure A, it represents part. Total there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, and out of 4 parts we are choosing 1, 2 and 3 parts each time into total 1, 2 and 3 times we are repeating process, that is equals to 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 4. So option number 3 represents 3 into 3 by 4, and if we convert 9 by 4 into mixed fraction, that is 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8 and 1 is remainder, we will take the complete portion as whole number and remainder is 1 and denominator as it is. So the second figure represents option number 3. And the last figure that represents out of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts, we are shading one part each time and we are repeating process 1, 2 and 3 times, that is equals to 3 by 5. So option number C is the correct match for 1. Now in question number 3, we have to multiply and reduce. We have to do the two tasks, that is we have to first multiply the fractions and then reduce it to the lowest form. Lowest form here means if we are getting the answer say 4 divided by 8, so to reduce it into lowest form we have to divide by the will get 7 3s are 21 divided by 5. This is in the lowest form, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. It is 21 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20, remainder is 1. So 4 complete, remainder is 1 and denominator as it is. Second one, 4 into 1 by 3, that is equals to 4 1s are 4 divided by 3, and if we convert into mixed fraction we will get 3 1s are 3, remainder is 1, that is 1 complete, remainder is 1 and denominator as it is. Third one, that is 2 into 6 by 7, that is equals to 2 6 are 12 by 7, and if we convert into mixed fraction it is 12 divided by 7, 7 1s are 7, 5 is remainder, so it is 1 complete, remainder is 5 divided by 7. For fourth one, 5 into 2 by 9, that is equals to 10 by 9, and if we convert into mixed fraction 10 divided by 9, 9 1s are 9 and 1 10, that is 1 complete, 1 by 9. Fifth is 2 by 3 into 4, that is equals to 4 to the 8 by 3, and if we convert into mixed fraction that is 3 to the 6 and 2 8, that is 2 complete, 2 by 3. Sixth one, 5 by 2 into 6, we will get 5 6 the 30 by 2, and if we divide and if we reduce into lowest form, the 2 is the common factor, so 2 into 15 is 30, that is equals to 15 is answer. Next one, 11 into 4 by 7, that is equals to 44 by 7. And if we